within 10 minutes, the street had become full of water. Now it heads for the canal. Our water barrier will be tested in about another 2 inches. Before it gets to the canal, we'll be on the inside water barrier.